Mastering Clarinet Intonation, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English and music fun and accessible. Today, we're diving into an important topic for all clarinet enthusiasts: clarinet intonation. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone looking to improve their clarinet skills. So let's get started. Intonation refers to the accuracy of the pitch you produce on your clarinet. It's all about playing in tune, which means your notes match the exact pitch they are supposed to. Good intonation is essential for creating harmonious music, whether you're playing solo or in a group. Several factors can influence your clarinet's intonation. These include your breath control. The way you breathe and blow into the clarinet affects the pitch. Clarinet setup. The condition of your reed, mouthpiece, and the instrument itself plays a significant role. Environmental conditions. Temperature and humidity can alter your clarinet's tuning. Finger positioning. How you place your fingers on the keys can affect the pitch of the notes. Improving your intonation involves a mix of practice and technique adjustments. Listen carefully. Always listen to the pitch of your notes and compare them with a tuner or piano. Practice long tones. Spend time playing long, sustained notes to focus on maintaining a steady pitch. Adjust your setup. Experiment with different reeds and mouthpieces to find what works best for your intonation. Use a tuner. Regularly practice with a tuner to develop an ear for correct pitch. To enhance your practice sessions, consider these tips. Record yourself. Recording and listening back can help you identify intonation issues. Play with drones. Use a drone tone to help stabilize your pitch while playing. Ensemble practice. Playing with others can sharpen your intonation skills as you adjust to blend harmoniously. Improving your clarinet intonation takes time, patience, and consistent practice. Remember, the goal is to make music that feels good to the ear, both yours and your audience's. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of intonation and how you can work on it. Keep practicing, and don't get discouraged by the challenges. Happy clarinet playing! Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more music learning tips. See you next time.